Hi guys, kaya ko ba kaya tong tinataka kong landas? Parang ang hirap eh, pero para sa pamilya, ako'y lalaban. Hi guys, I'm Midshipman Carl Martin D. Catura, first year of 1B7, taking up Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering.
Sound check, check. Hey, the best.
DJ JR.
Watch, why did you took maritime course?
I took up maritime course because I can see myself as a future seafarer. And I think this will help me and my family to fight poverty. How can I show respect in this class? I can show respect in this class in means of listening when someone is talking, respecting each and everyone's opinion, and lastly, actively participating in class.
Uy, 150!
Wagi. Sige na.
Always on my mind. That's how much I get. I can't think of it.
After 5 years, what will I be? After 5 years, I hope so that I'm already done with the classroom requirements and find the right company that will help me to become what a seafarer needs to be. What legacy did I choose to be remembered? The legacy that I choose to be remembered are the life lessons that I taught to my family and loved ones, the good memories we had, lastly, the material things.